In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack. Integrating Asana with Slack is a great way to keep project management and team communication in one place. Instead of constantly switching between apps, you can bring important Asana actions and updates directly into Slack, which helps your team stay organized and move faster. To get started, open the Slack desktop app on your computer. In the left sidebar, look for the More section or go straight to Apps if you already see it. Use the search bar to look for Asana. When the Asana app appears in the directory, click on it and then select the Add to Slack button. A browser window will open and show the permissions the app needs. Take a moment to review those permissions so you understand what's being authorized. Then click Allow or Authorize to add the official Asana app to your Slack workspace. Once that's done, return to Slack. You should now see Asana listed under your app section in the left sidebar. Click the Asana app to open its direct message area. This is where Slack will guide you through the next part of the setup. In the onboarding message, click the Connect Asana account or Authorize button. A secure browser pop-up will appear so you can sign in to your Asana account and complete the connection. This step links your personal Asana profile to Slack, which is necessary before you can create tasks, receive updates, or interact with projects from within Slack. After your account is connected, the next step is linking an Asana project to a Slack channel, so updates can appear where your team is already talking. Go to the specific Slack channel where you want those updates to be posted. This might be a channel dedicated to a campaign, a sprint, or a particular team workflow. In the message box, type the command/Asana link and submit it. From there, Slack will prompt you through the process of selecting the Asana project you want to connect to that channel. This channel link is especially useful because it creates a direct bridge between conversation and execution. Team members can stay informed about project activity without needing to manually check Asana every few minutes. As a helpful tip, make sure you choose the most relevant Slack channel for the project so updates stay useful rather than distracting. Once everything is connected, you'll be ready to use the official Asana integration inside Slack to support a smoother